owner of a Columbia restaurant is giving us his side of the story after Boone County Health Department issued a warning for people that went there last week.
We told you about the health department's warning for people that went to Room 38 restaurant as breaking news on ABC 17 News at 5. ABC 17's Connor Hirsch is live there now. And Connor, you spoke with both the co-owner and the health department about the disagreement.
Lucas Devin, while the co-owner of Room 38 behind me here says that he agrees with the health department warning his patrons that they potentially could have been exposed to COVID-19, he's taking issue with one line in the press release that claims that potential exposure resulted from crowded conditions at the restaurant behind me right here.
Based on the public perspective, and perspective is key, it's kind of a death sentence.
The health department says anyone who was at Room 38 between June 22nd and June 25th should monitor for symptoms of COVID-19 after a possible exposure from one or more customers at the restaurant. Scott Clardy of the health department told me this is protocol for the situations where they can't identify all the people the positive case could have come in contact with.
They claimed to us that there was a crowd in there. They were within 6 feet of other people who they didn't know or who they couldn't identify.
Co-owner of Room 38, Billy Giordano, claimed that wasn't the case, saying they have been practicing social distancing by assigning seats.
We've been doing everything we can to keep everybody safe and abiding by the guidelines as much as we can. We take this very seriously. We want the public to know we take it seriously.
But Clardy said the department stands by the release.
I told him he was free to disagree if he wanted to, and explain his side of the story. And I explained to him that we were going to still go with what the case or cases told us.
To say that we're not holding our end of the deal up, and to say that we're negligent only makes it look like we didn't do our part, and no one's going to want to patronize an establishment that does that.
And Giordano said that they have advised all of the employees that were working during those 4 days to get tested for COVID-19, and that even before this release came out, he would advise his employees to get tested, and he has had no positive cases as of right now. Reporting live in Columbia, Connor Hirsch, ABC 17 News.
Thank you, Connor. The health department is asking anyone who was there and has any symptoms of COVID-19 to contact their doctor about getting tested. Now, those symptoms, of course, you've heard include fever, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, and even diarrhea.